Hi guys, and welcome to Christmas with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Pinwheel Tower Christmas card. This is the card. It looks like this, and you turn and turn and turn. It's like a little flip book. It is so cute. Yeah, no words. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make this card. This card has so many layers. We're gonna move everything aside. Let's score and burnish our base card. We're scoring on 3/4, 1.5, 2.25, and 3, or every 3/4. Fold and burnish in all your score lines. And we're going to bring in our layers for the pinwheel. We're going to put this together first. We're going to layer these. We're going to build all the layers and then put it all together. It's really simple, I promise, and it looks amazing. You take this piece, you fold it in on the second score line, put glue only in this area or the first section, and then hold it down and close it. When this is dry, this should look like this. It should have a perfect flush look where you can't even tell where it's joined, and that's how we want it to look. That's why we didn't cut off a sliver. We have this, which we're going to put aside, and these three. Your base card, 3 pieces that are 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. You should have 4 pieces with 4 coordinating pieces, so the same designs as you see. These are 2 5/8 by 4 1/8 to fit inside this perfectly like so. These are 1 7/8 by 4 1/8. These are 2 1/8 by 3 5/8, and these are 2 by 3.5. That's all your measurements. They'll all be in the description as well. And we're going to design it like so. I am going to do a little cute embossing on these just so that to give it some, an extra look for Christmas, so it looks sort of like snowflakes. So I'm going to do that really quickly. These are super cute, and we're going to leave them just as they are. I did this, which is so cute. So I put the Merry Christmas sentiment on top. I stuck it on. I put some gold below. So this is going to go on one of these like so. And I'm going to design these. Following a star. And I think I'm going to stick these down like this. So we've gotten everything layered and it looks gorgeous. Key thing now is to decide what is going where. I think this stands out most on the wood. I like tree on this. I like Santa on this. Yeah, I think visually this looks best to me. Then we're going to say Merry Christmas with the sentiment. We're going to put this like this as if he's looking at that. And so we're going to go ahead and stick all of these on these. And then we're going to stick this one directly on the actual card itself. So this. So this goes for this. Let me show you how to stick the card itself down now. This looks like this. We're going to turn this, put glue here, only on this one, not on this one. Take this and stick it like so, and then stick it down. Making sure that everything, see how that, you see that star there, it looks beautiful. And then we're going to stick these layers one time. turn. Now we're going to stick this one down. The great thing about this card that you wouldn't think is it ends up being a perfect 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 card. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this. Flat, pop it in an A2 envelope, and stunning. As usual, all occasion card. This is just decorated for Christmas. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. Merry Christmas!